My vacuum cleaner is not working. It's making a weird noise when I try to turn it on. Sounds like something's broken or stuck inside. And the suction? Forget about it. Time to roll up my sleeves and get to work. First, I'm opening up the front attachment and removing the battery. Looks like we've got a tricky screw head here. Need to grab my star screwdriver to get into this housing. 7 screws later and we're in. And there's the culprit, a broken fan attachment. Let's see if the motor is still kicking. Good news! The motor's still going strong. I'm going to try a quick fix with some super glue. But first, I will slip a piece of paper under the fan to prevent any glue spills. Once it's aligned, I'll use JB Weld to secure it in place. Now, I am applying some super glue on top of the broken fan part. Now, I'm taping the fan to the motor head to keep it steady, and trimming the excess paper and adding more tape for extra support. Time to let this dry for a few hours. 3 hours later, let's see how our repair is holding up. Looks good. Now for the final step, applying the JB Weld to the broken part. Making sure everything is aligned and secured. Now, leaving this overnight to fully cure. After 24 hours, I was trying to observe. My technique worked or not. If you look closely, you can see I have slipped some thick paper between the fan and housing to prevent contact. Now let's remove the paper. It is important to align the groove on the motor with the housing. Now securing all the wires and screws and reassembling the housing. Finally, it's time for the moment of truth. And it works. Good as new. Remember, always prioritize safety when working with power tools. Thanks for watching and happy fixing!